Want skin that stays youthful, firm, and wrinkle-free? Collagen is the secret weapon behind smooth, glowing skin. But as we age, our body makes less of it. That's when fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging start to appear. The good news? You don't need expensive creams or treatments to fight back. The right foods can help your body produce more collagen naturally. In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful collagen-boosting foods that keep your skin plump, elastic, and radiant from the inside out. Let's dive in. First up, we've got a vibrant orange ingredient that's not just for Halloween decorations anymore. Pumpkin flesh is packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is vital for collagen production. And that's not all pumpkin brings to the table. It's also got a healthy dose of zinc. The result? Skin that's plump, firm, and glowing. Roast it, puree it, add it to your smoothies. Pumpkin is incredibly versatile. Your skin will thank you for it. You can even bake it into delicious treats like pumpkin pie or pumpkin bread. Don't forget about the seeds. Roasted pumpkin seeds are a crunchy, nutritious snack. Sprinkle them on your salads for an extra boost of zinc and other essential nutrients. Adding pumpkin puree to soups can make them creamy and rich in flavor. It's a comforting way to enjoy the benefits of pumpkin. Or try a pumpkin smoothie bowl for a refreshing and nutritious breakfast. With all these options, incorporating pumpkin into your diet is easy and rewarding. So, unleash the collagen-boosting powerhouse of pumpkin and enjoy healthier, glowing skin. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow for more skincare tips. Next up is an ingredient that might sound a bit strange at first, but trust me on this one. We're talking about spirulina, a type of blue-green algae that packs a serious nutritional punch. Now, before you turn your nose up, hear me out. This stuff is a powerhouse of amino acids, the building blocks of, you guessed it, collagen. It's like having a construction crew working round the clock, constantly supplying your body with the materials it needs to build and repair collagen fibers. And the beauty of spirulina doesn't stop there. Oh no, this little algae is also loaded with antioxidants. Now, antioxidants are your secret weapon against those nasty free radicals that wreak havoc on your skin. They're like little ninjas, fighting off damage and keeping your skin looking young and fresh. Think of free radicals as the bullies of the cellular world, constantly trying to damage your cells and age you prematurely. Antioxidants are the superheroes that come to the rescue, neutralizing those bullies and protecting your skin. Adding a spoonful of spirulina to your smoothies or yogurt is a simple and effective way to boost your collagen intake. You can even find spirulina supplements if you're on the go and need a quick boost. Don't let the slightly unusual taste put you off. Remember, we're after results here, and spirulina delivers. Now let's talk about an ingredient that's often overlooked but deserves a standing ovation for its collagen-boosting properties. Mushrooms, particularly shiitake mushrooms, are absolute rock stars when it comes to collagen production. These little fungi are packed with copper, a mineral that plays a critical role in collagen synthesis. Copper, you see, acts like a foreman on a construction site, ensuring that the collagen fibers are assembled correctly and efficiently. Without enough copper, the collagen production process becomes disorganized and chaotic, leading to weaker, less effective collagen. But wait, there's more. Mushrooms, especially the shiitake variety, also contain a secret weapon: polysaccharides. These clever compounds are like little sponges, attracting and holding on to moisture to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Dehydrated skin is like a deflated balloon, dull, wrinkled, and lifeless. Polysaccharides help to plump up the skin, giving it that youthful bounce and glow. So, next time you're planning a meal, don't forget to include a generous helping of mushrooms. Sauté them, grill them, add them to soups or stews. The possibilities are endless. Your skin will thank you for the extra collagen boost. Let's move on to a true superhero of the leafy green world: spinach. This nutrient-packed powerhouse is not only good for your overall health, but it's also a fantastic ally in the fight against collagen degradation. Spinach is brimming with vitamin C. We've already talked about how crucial vitamin C is for collagen production, so you know this is a big deal. But spinach doesn't stop there. It also brings a healthy dose of vitamin A to the table. Vitamin A is like the maintenance crew for collagen, ensuring that your body is utilizing the collagen it produces effectively. It's like having a dedicated team constantly repairing and maintaining your collagen infrastructure, keeping everything running smoothly. And let's not forget about the antioxidants present in spinach. These powerful compounds work tirelessly to protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to premature aging. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothies, salads, or sandwiches for a collagen-boosting kick. You can even sauté spinach with a little garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious side dish. Incorporate this leafy green into your diet regularly, and you'll be well on your way to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Last but certainly not least, we have a tropical delight that's as delicious as it is beneficial for your skin: papaya. This vibrant fruit is a treasure trove of vitamin C, that all-important nutrient for collagen production. But papaya has another trick up its sleeve. It contains a unique enzyme called papain, a natural exfoliant that helps to break down dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Think of papain as a gentle but effective cleaning crew, removing all the debris and buildup that can make your skin look dull and tired. This process of exfoliation reveals the fresh, radiant skin underneath, giving you a natural glow. Papaya is also a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from sun damage. Enjoy papaya on its own, add it to smoothies, or incorporate it into salsas and chutneys. Regular consumption of this tropical fruit will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. There you have it. 5 incredible foods that can help you boost your collagen levels naturally. Remember, true beauty starts from within. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you're giving your skin the building blocks it needs to stay healthy, firm, and glowing. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and find delicious ways to incorporate these collagen-boosting superstars into your diet. Your skin will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Youthful Glow for more skincare tips. Let us know in the comments which of these foods you're excited to try. See you next time.